So in case anybody was wondering what was going on in the background of my video the other day, the guys were doing an ice bath. So that sounds cold. So I had my guy come over and he did a really fantastic job up on top. He repaired a bunch of the wood. Up here looks beautiful. And I already came yesterday and I put 2 coats on this and caulked it all where the repairs were. So I'm back today to do this door because it's been so hot that I do believe yesterday or the day before yesterday it said that it feels like 120 degrees. So it's been torture, but basically all I have left to do is this door and a little spot up here where I didn't get with the blue. So there's a little bit up there that I couldn't reach. So that's pretty much it. And we'll have to give Rick Azevedo to give him a shout out. Did a really good job. Really nice guy, dependable, good pricing, and he's trying to get started down here in Florida, so I'm gonna reference him out any chance I get. Really, really good. Polite, professional. So yeah, I just got to get my wood down today and I'm pretty much finished with this. So the last thing I got to do is a little bit here.